Hey, the CPM is too high. Can you improve the CPC? Click-through rate, landing rate, CPL? Yeah, but what do they mean? If you are new to digital advertising, this may happen to you. You try to learn these jargons online, but all you see are formulas. They do not tell you what they are or how to use them. And therefore, today I'll be explaining to you each of these metrics so that you are no longer lost in digital advertising conversations. So one reason why so many advertisers are attracted to digital advertising is because of the accountability for ad spend. Therefore, to be an accountable marketer, subscribe to this channel. Jokes aside, to be an accountable marketer, we need to be data centric, and that's why there are so many metrics for us to measure our campaign performance. So let's begin with the basic one, impressions. An impression simply meant an ad view or a single instance of an online ad being displayed, like this one over here. And this brings us to CPM. CPM means cost per mille, and mille is the Latin word for 1000. Together, CPM means cost per 1000 impressions. So let me give you an example. Let's say the accountable marketer runs a display campaign and the ad is shown 10,000 times with an ad spend of $10. What is my CPM? So the formula for CPM will be the total ad spend divided by total number of impressions times 1000. And in this case, it will be $10 ad spend divided by 10,000 impressions times 1000. And this gives us a cost per 1000 impression of $1. So after you have served an impression, what happens next? If you are interested, you will click on the ad. So clicking expresses interest, and clicks can be measured using two metrics. So the first one will be click-through rate. It's basically the percentage of impressions that resulted in a click. So this demonstrates the accuracy of our targeting. It tells us amongst the people that we pay to show our ads to, how many of them are interested enough to click on these ads. And the second one will be cost per clicks. The formula for cost per click is the total ad spend divided by clicks. It measures the efficiency of our media buy and tells us, on the average, how much money do we spend before we got someone interested enough to click on our ads. So now let's combine what we have learned about impressions and clicks in this example. The accountable marketer runs a display campaign, the ad is shown 10,000 times, CPM is $1 and there are 2 clicks. What is the click-through rate? The formula for click-through rates will be clicks divided by impressions, and in this case it will be 2 clicks divided by 10,000 impressions, which is a CTR of 0.02%. So what is the cost per click? The formula for cost per click will be ad spend divided by clicks, and to get ad spend, we use CPM times impressions divided by 1000, and the total ad spend will be $1 times 10,000 impressions divided by 1000, which gives us $10 ad spend. Cost per click will be $10 divided by 2 clicks, which is $5. So after you have clicked on the ad and the page is loading, what happens next? If you have clicked on the ad accidentally, you will close it. On the other hand, if you have clicked on the ad intentionally, you'll wait for the page to load and land on the landing page. So lands are an even stronger indicator of interest. Then why do we even bother about clicks? This is because sometimes we are unable to put something called a landing pixel on the landing page to track lands, and clicks are our next best alternative. And we measure lands through 2 metrics. The first one will be landing rate, which is the percentage of clicks that resulted in a land. And the second one will be CPL or cost per land, which is the average ad spend before we got someone interested enough to land on our page. And now time for another example. Let's say the accountable marketer runs another campaign. The ad spend is $10 with 4 clicks and 2 lands. What is my landing rate? So the formula for landing rate will be lands divided by clicks, and in this case, there's 2 lands divided by 4 clicks. There's a 50% chance of someone landing on my landing page if they click on my ad. And what is my cost per land? So the formula for cost per land is total ad spend divided by lands, which will be $10 ad spend divided by 2 lands, which is a $5 cost per land. So now that you know the meaning of these metrics and how to calculate them, you'll be able to better measure the success of your campaigns. And if you are venturing into digital advertising, I encourage you to watch my intro to programmatic videos. And if this video has helped you, please help to like, share and subscribe. Until next time.